Okay, what's going on, beautiful people? It is a beautiful day. We've got the FRS here, and we're going to be doing some brake lights. Okay, so I'm going to be swapping out these factory clear taillights on the 2013 FRS for these Vland LED taillights that I got from Amazon for a pretty decent price. And main reason is, honestly, I just want to make the car look a little bit newer, kind of refresh the look. I do like that kind of red ring that goes around the taillight there, so I figured let's give the car a new look, try something a little bit different. I think I paid like 250 bucks Canadian off Amazon for them, so it's not too bad. Figured it'd be a nice little upgrade, so let's see how they look. Okay, so now that we're in the trunk, we're just going to focus on getting rid of these clips here. We're going to take these guys out. We just want to gain access to the taillight here, and that's covered up by this carpet cover here that sits in the trunk, the liner. Okay, so this is all I was able to find, so I'm just going to fucking use this because I'm getting too frustrated looking for my clip remover. So yeah, don't be like me. Have a clip remover handy. I actually got this little panel remover and something I ordered off Amazon, so fuck it, it's going to work just fine. Let's go ahead and remove these clips. There's one. Don't be like me and lose them every time. I'm just going to set them aside there, but try not to lose them so you can put everything back together. Okay, so we don't have to remove the bottom one. I'm an idiot. We just have to be able to get to the top there. So I'm actually just going to put something here, like that bottle of oil or I don't know, something. Okay, so now you'll be able to see we actually have one, two, so you'll have these plastic little I guess like they lock onto the threads there and hold the harness tucked out of the way. There we go. And once they're off, you'll be able to get to all four nuts. I believe they're 8mm, and I believe that I'm gonna have to use a deep socket to get to them. So let me grab that real quick, just to give you guys a close-up here. You got, once you get these things off, okay, you got 1, 2, 3 up over there where I'm pointing, and then 4 there down at the bottom. Once those 4 nuts are out, the taillight should just come out of place. And don't forget to remove that connector right there. So yeah, let's continue this shit. Okay, now so for this, just like you could use a deep socket. It looks like I'm actually getting away with like a 5/16 here. Wouldn't recommend it. Unfortunately, at the moment, this is kind of all I have. It's a little ratcheting wrench. It does work. These don't need to be tight, and they shouldn't be too tight already. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'd recommend you guys use like 5/16 equivalent. So I believe it's like an 8mm or something like that, deep socket. But this is all I have, so fuck it. You know, it's like small things like this, like these little fucking jobs. For me, sometimes they end up taking way too long. But today, oh, today's a good day. And just like that, oh, comes right out. And boom. So once you follow those steps and you got the taillight out, it's super simple. The taillight literally comes right out. This is what we're left with right now. Just so you guys can see for comparison, there's the old taillight, there's the new taillight. Quite the difference there. We're literally going to repeat the exact same fucking process. We're going to put the LED one in the same way, put the 4 nuts through, plug it in, and then it should be good to go. You're going to repeat the exact same thing for that side. Well, let's go ahead and get this guy mounted up right now so I can show you what they look like side by side. What I'd recommend is push the tail light in by hand, and then with your other hand, you want to thread in all the nuts as much as they'll go, hand tight, and that's just going to make sure that you've got nice even pressure spread out among that gasket. It turns out for the Canadian cars, what you want to do with the Vland taillights, otherwise your LED turn signal is not going to function correctly. What you want to do is you want to swap the pin for these yellow and green wires. So typically it would be green to green, yellow to yellow, and then you would plug it in for USDM cars and everything will work. For Canadian cars, for whatever reason, that's not the case. Thanks to someone on Amazon that let me know that. So you want to swap them around, and that's what's going to allow the sequential portion for the turn signal to work properly. Otherwise, you will kind of have a dual functioning brake light that will function both as a turn signal as a brake light, and that's kind of fucking stupid. And yeah, no, you don't want that. So do it right, swap the pins around, and you'll be fine. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm super pumped to show you guys what this looks like. As you can see on the left, we've got the Vland taillight from Amazon, and then on the right, we've got the stock OEM taillight, which still, in my opinion, isn't that bad. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what the differences are like. And there you go. As you guys can see, on the left, that's what the Vland looks like. It's got the sequential nice LED. On the right, stock bulb. OEM taillights do have LED brake lights, but I do think the Vland does look a little bit nicer, at least with my car, but the OEMs don't look too bad. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. That's the install on the Vland taillight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side now. You're gonna repeat every single step you did on the driver's side, or vice versa on the passenger side. It's literally exactly the same. It's super simple, super easy. Doesn't take too much time, doesn't take too much effort. Get yourself a little 8mm deep socket or a spanning wrench and a ratcheting wrench. It'll make your life so much easier when you do this. You're gonna need one anyways, but yeah. All right guys, so there you go. There's my quick tutorial or quick video on installing taillights on my FRS. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. I thoroughly enjoyed this, so I will continue to do it. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Tony Baloney out. Peace.